Hello, welcome back to another random hobby channel, and this time we have Edge of Eternities that came from Amazon. So MSRP, what we ordered from Games Island, the Kamigawa Neon Dynasty, and what we ordered from Card Market. Is that real? Yeah. So itong unahin natin kasi hindi ko alam kung I don't know. Hopefully it's legit. I can't do freaking live stream because I don't have enough subscribers. Sabi, ay ang gusto ko lang naman i-archive. Yeah. We Heistas. Yeah. Gumawa ng video, save sa YouTube channel at i-archive doon kasi halos puno ng aking hard drive at ang aking cloud storage. So, Xiaomi Amoy, if legit itong napasukan natin kay Card Market. So far, mga legit naman yung mga napasukan ko doon. Last time kasi na umorder tayo is foundations ang binigay. And so far, freaking legit. That's nice to hear. Then, this one, let's try to open it. Madalas, I'm saving the box. But, yeah. Let's open this up. Pero, it's baliktad. Hopefully, it's sweaty. I love the box style. Yeah. So, I think the video is too short to open something. So, this is the dice. It's Galaxy themed. And we have how many packs? 9, syempre, as usual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and our lands. Emissary Escort. So, I think that's all for now. I will try to make a long video about this, but yeah, with my subscribers, puro shorts lang muna. So, bye!